is the Joetsu Electronics L2R2 controller grip for the PlayStation Vita 2000. Now the issue with this one compared to the 1000 model, and they're both like, this is pretty inexpensive. The 1000 model of this is relatively inexpensive, and the Hori PlayStation Remote Play grip is incredibly expensive now here in 2020. But I really wanted back button functionality and not to use the touchpad for, you know, PS1 games on the go. So I picked it up, and even though I saw people said that this will damage your system due to the clips, so here's the system attached. Here's Tony Hawk Pro Skater, and there's a copyright claim. Thanks, Goldfinger. But yeah, as you can see, I hope that's in frame. There's really aggressive clips that go over the body, right where the shiny plastic is. So, since I have the box, I took a high-resolution image of this and I used Google Translate to try and work out what the instructions are. This seems impossible, but I did find a method for popping this thing off and not damaging your system. So basically, you're going to hold it like this, upside down, and you want to kind of roll your wrist this way to bend the little clips off. Because if you don't pop both of these off at the same time, they're going to have it's going to be kind of wedged in there and be a little difficult to pop out at all. So I'll demonstrate that. I'll get one out, and then you can push from underneath on the touch screen, or, you know, touchpad, the back rear touch screen, but it's completely wedged in on the other side now. So you need to do both at the same time, otherwise, you know, you're probably putting too much pressure on your system. So both at the same time, do a little roll. Now they're both popped out. Now from the middle touchscreen, touchpad, from the bottom through the grip, and out she comes. Ta-da! And as you can see, the edge of the Vita is not messed up, because as best as I could, I followed the instructions. And yeah, so you can use this grip. I picked this one up for about $30 on Amazon. The Hori remote grip for PlayStation Remote Play, official Sony branded product, goes for anywhere from $100 to $200 US now. So you can pick this up, you can use it. It's not as convenient as the Hori because that just has a flipped catch that looks super convenient, and also it has L3 and R3. But yeah, so there you go. There's my pro tip and my mini review. Not actually too bad. Was really scared of this damaging my system, and I found out it doesn't have to. Just some reviewers online did not do their research.